My top three legislative priorities are public education, public safety, and public health. I think that healthy communities rely on those top three priorities, and those are going to be my priorities going into the 89th legislature. The needs of the business community are absolutely at the forefront of all our policy making. When I look at a bill, I'm constantly reaching out to all our stakeholders, whether that's the Plano Chamber of Commerce, which I'm a member of, small business owners, or other corporate allies, because I know that Collin County is the headquarters of headquarters. And so we need to engage everybody in those conversations to make sure that we encourage the economic development of our community. Public education is my number one priority. So I'm always looking out when the legislature is trying to push anything like a voucher scam. Texas taxpayer money should stay in public education. I also have a concern when I look at recapture. Plano ISD is one of the largest payers into the recapture system, and I filed legislation around transparency, or what I call taxparency, because I think that Plano residents and Collin County residents should have transparency around where their taxpayer money is going. So those are going to be my top priorities when I go into the 89th legislature. Collin County is seeing a rapid growth. We're seeing a record number of people moving into Collin County. And so mobility is going to be at the top of the list when we're looking at freight coming in and the infrastructure of our roads. I'm going to definitely also be looking at EV infrastructure. We're seeing rapid development around that field, but not so much EV infrastructure in our state. So those are going to be my top two priorities. As one of the vice chairs of the Water Caucus, I'm so honored to have co-sponsored the Texas Water Fund, which was overwhelmingly ratified by the voters of Texas. This $1 billion investment in our water is going to not just secure the current infrastructure that we have in Texas, but it's also going to find new access and new resources of water. So that's what I'm really proud of. Look, Texas, our natural resources and our beautiful parks need to be protected, and I'm proud to have done that in the state legislature. Workforce development is crucial. Job creators are the lifeblood of our community. And so as a member of the Economic Development Committee, I was proud to support not just vocational training and skills development for Collin County, but also a historic investment in paraprofessional programs within Collin County and Plano. And that's the kind of work that I continue to do and look for in the legislature, and I hope to continue on in the 89th. This is crucial for making sure that Collin County stays the bedrock of corporate innovation, and we've done an excellent job. I was proud to co-sponsor House Bill 5, which brought in new incentive opportunities, but I want to build on that. I want to make sure that we're also doing research matching grants to support new innovations in Collin County, like the Texas Research Quarter. So I'm super excited to see where we can take that and to be on the forefront of supporting things like that. Bipartisanship is crucial, not just in the Texas legislature, but in all levels of government. Having good faith negotiations and conversations is how we move Texas forward. And I'm proud of all the bipartisan work that I did working with my colleagues across the aisle in the 88th legislative session, and I look forward to continuing and building on those relationships and on that work in the 89th. So it's crucial, and I love to work with everybody on moving Texas forward.